Pathosan's electrochemically activated solutions. Now, you can develop two powerful and effective cleaning solutions using simple ingredients: salt, water, and electricity. Both solutions, a multi-purpose cleaner and a sanitizer disinfectant, are highly effective, even at low concentrations. The patented Pathosans process makes it easy and cost-efficient to do it yourself. It's what's commonly referred to as on-site generation, or OSG. If you're thinking green, OSG is the way to go. By producing cleaning solutions on-site, you save time and cost associated with buying toxic cleaning chemicals that must be delivered and handled by employees. Pathosans cleaners won't irritate the skin or eyes. There are no fragrances, detergents, surfactants, dyes, or other chemical additives, so low risk of allergic reactions. And the solutions are ready to use with no mixing or secure storage required. Though the cleaning solutions look and smell like water, they're highly effective, removing soil without leaving a residue that attracts dirt, so surfaces stay clean longer. After using Pathosan solutions for 30 days, you'll see the difference. Your entire facility will look cleaner and brighter, and it'll be easier to keep it that way. You can replace most traditional janitorial solutions for just pennies per gallon to substantially reduce your monthly chemical spend. Pathosans is the smartest, greenest, most cost-effective choice you can make. Safer cleaning with solutions made for you on site.